In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to ManyChat using Zapier or Make. If you want to automatically send information from a Typeform submission into ManyChat, this is a simple and effective workflow to build. The goal here is to use an automation platform as the bridge between both tools, so whenever someone fills out your Typeform, that data can immediately trigger an action inside ManyChat. To begin, open either Zapier or Make, depending on the platform you prefer. Both tools work well for this kind of integration, and the overall logic is very similar. You'll be creating an automation that listens for new Typeform submissions and then passes that information into ManyChat. Once you're inside Zapier or Make, choose Typeform as your trigger app. For the trigger event, select New Entry. This means the automation will start every time a new response is submitted through your form. After that, connect your Typeform account if needed, then choose the specific form you want to monitor. It's a good idea to make sure the form you select is the exact one collecting the data you plan to use in ManyChat. Next, choose ManyChat as the action app. Depending on what you want to happen after the submission, you can select an action such as send flow to user or set custom field. Sending a flow is useful when you want to automatically start a conversation or sequence in ManyChat. Setting a custom field is helpful when you want to store form details on the user's profile for later personalization, segmentation, or follow-up. After that, map the Typeform submission fields to the matching ManyChat custom user fields. For example, if your Typeform collects an email address or phone number, connect those values to the corresponding fields in ManyChat. This part is important because it ensures the right data lands in the right place. Be careful while mapping and double check that each field matches correctly. Clean field mapping helps prevent errors and keeps your contact records organized. Once everything is connected, run a test. Testing lets you confirm that the automation pulls in a real Typeform submission and successfully sends the data into ManyChat. If something doesn't look right, go back and adjust the field mapping before moving on. When the test works as expected, enable the automation. From that point on, new Typeform entries will automatically trigger the action you set up in